Hi and welcome to this video on investing in real estate in Portugal. Portugal has become a popular destination for foreign investors in recent years, and in this video we'll discuss some reasons why. Affordable prices. One of the main attractions of investing in real estate in Portugal is affordable prices compared to other European countries. According to the numbers, cost of living in Portugal is about 25% lower than in the United Kingdom. Strong rental demand. Yes, Portugal has a strong rental market with demand coming in both tourists and local residents. Tourists flock to Portugal for its sunny beaches, historic cities, and laid-back lifestyle. Many choose to rent short-term vacation rentals. Thank you for joining me on my YouTube channel. If you're interested in learning more about investing in real estate in Portugal, I encourage you to like and follow my videos.